Hi, Dios mío, guys. So today, I'm on YouTube, and the first thing I see is that Hillary Clinton gave an interview with Jake Tapper on the Clinton News Network, which is only fitting. I thought that she was finally gonna go away, go out, walk in the forest, and dive, but apparently that's not so. So, in the middle of all this shit going on with Trump and Angela Merkel and the email scandal and wiretapping, I think the American people say to themselves, who do we want to hear talk right now and evaluate the situation? And I don't think it was Hillary Clinton, but there she is again in the limelight. She can't go away. She's like a STD. Uh, anyway, she's going on there. She's talking about the violence, and Jake Tapper is throwing her these softball questions about what's gonna happen with all the violence, which is funny because CNN and all these liberal media they never condemn it. They say they're the protests or Berkeley, they're getting agitated when it's really just riots. But anyways, for a split second, Hillary Clinton comes down. She kind of take the high ground. She says people should not violent. They shouldn't be violent or hurt anyone else. But then, of course, at the last second, she said Trump needs to come out and condemn this, which is kind of funny because Trump went on CNN, or not CNN, 60 Minutes, 2 days after he's elected, and he says no violence. And that's just kind of funny because no Trump fans has ever been violent from what I've seen. It wasn't Trump fans that beat up the retard kid. It wasn't Trump fans that were at Berkeley burning their school down like a bunch of pendejos. So, I think it's kind of funny that she's inserting herself into the situation right now when no one really gives a shit what she has to say. There's something a little fishy going on. Either she's just power hungry and she wants to feel important going on TV again, or she's already, what's the saying in English? She's sowing the oats for to run again in 2020, which hopefully she will be dead by then. I don't know. The evil people always live a long time. Castro, Cesar Chavez, those kind of guys. But anyways, there's something fishy going on that she's here right now. She's talking shit. She's inserting herself into the situation. Maybe she thinks Trump is gonna get impeached, but I don't think he's gonna get impeached because he hasn't done anything wrong. I know the American people love him. I love him. You know, Sooner or later, Hillary's just gotta look in the mirror and realize that she's useless. Anyways, guys, I'm sorry for the shitty, you know, room that I'm in right now. I've never make a video. It's 4 o'clock in the morning where I am right now, but I didn't see any other videos talking about this. I think it just came out the Jake Tapper interview. So, anyways, guys, just tell me what you think. Okay.